Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Pro MP273A is 27-inch Full HD, 100Hz, 27-inch HD display designed for business and telework and featuring a smooth video display, and the professional grade monitor is to set hit the market with estimated price of $119. And this monitor is featuring is IPS liquid crystal display with a resolution of 9020 into 1080 pixel resolution, and it supports 100Hz refresh rate and offers a rapid 1ms response time, ensuring seamless display performance for video playback and scrolling through content. And the maximum brightness is 300 cadmium per meter square and contrast ratio of 1000:1. Viewing angle is 178 degree horizontal and vertical. Display color is 16.7 million and color gamut is 99% of sRGB and 84% of DisplayPort color gamut. And the interface input is DisplayPort 1.2A/1, HDMI 1.4B/1, D-Sub/1 and built-in speakers 3W/2. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.